In the quiet pre-dawn hours of July 9th, 2024, in Deribale village, a sinister plot was unfolding. Four men, known for their audacious heists and dubbed the Chaddi gang due to their distinctive Bermuda shorts and vests, approached the house on Kotikani Road. It was 4 a.m. and the village was still shrouded in darkness. The men had come prepared. With practiced efficiency, they cut through the window grill, gaining entry into the house. The homeowner, roused from sleep, barely had time to react before he was struck down with an iron rod. His wife was next. Her cries were stifled by the threatening gleam of a screwdriver brandished before her face. The intruders worked swiftly, smashing 3 mobile phones to prevent any calls for help. They emptied the locker, making off with approximately 12 lakh rupees worth of gold and diamond jewelry. They also seized a Samsung mobile phone, 10 branded watches worth 1 lakh rupees, and 3,000 rupees in cash. With their loot secured, they fled in the car parked in the veranda. At 7 a.m., a shaken woman filed a complaint at the Orva police station. The police wasted no time. Crime number 69/2024 was registered under multiple sections and the hunt began. The city control room was alerted and soon the stolen car was found abandoned near the Mulki bus stand. The KSRTC officials confirmed the men had inquired about buses to Bangalore. This critical information was swiftly relayed to the Hassan District Police Superintendent. The stage was set for the climax. In Sakleshpur, a team led by DSP and CPC intercepted the bus. The suspects, realizing they were cornered, attempted to flee but were swiftly apprehended. Under questioning, they confessed to the crime. All the stolen gold, diamond jewelry, watches, and cash were recovered and handed over to the Orva police officials. In the face of adversity, the swift and coordinated efforts of the police had brought the Chaddi gang to justice, restoring peace to Deribale village.